Oh, look at this, Walt from Dirtfoot Racing. Look at that. That's my new tractor sitting here, waiting to cut trails, make trails for mini bike riding and walking and hunting and all that good stuff. Look at that thing. Went in with a friend, Hank Strange, split this thing, got us a tractor. Got the grapple on it right now. Got Ironcraft grapple. This is a TYM T25. And it's 25 horsepower. Brand new. We were thinking about, I was looking at used tractors and we were looking at different things, but for the money, you might as well just get a new one. Unless you get a super deal or something you got to fix. And I don't have time to fix it, and Hank's not a fixer, so we got us a brand new one. So let's take a look at it here. Cool. There's all kinds of videos on the internet on the, what the hell? On the TM25s. A lot of good reviews. Most reviews are all good. There's hardly anything bad about them at all that I could find. So a lot of tractor for a decent amount of money, fair amount of money. This one's already set up for the their third tool, or the third implement. Valve on it already. All kinds of cool features here. Oh, look at that. There's the key. Anyways, yeah, got a bush hog and the grapple and the bucket. Grapple's going to come in handy up on the property, clearing trails, because I can dig stuff out with that, roots and maybe even a palmetto. So ooh, we got us some rain coming. So yeah, TMY T25 in the house for Dirtfoot Racing. Yeah, do some trail prep and get ready to have a, I think we have a mini bike race. If y'all think that's a good idea, let me know. Hank got it out here to work on the range and to cut grass and all that. So we just got that on Friday. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be cool. Gonna be a lot of productivity out of that. So just wanted to show it to you guys. I've been waiting to get one for quite a while, but we like I said, I pulled the trigger, split it with them. So oh, it does have the Bluetooth speakers. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Bluetooth speakers, wireless phone charging, USB outlets, old school 12 volt, 4-wheel drive, high and low range. Actually, you can break each individual rear wheel and to make really tight turns. That's another feature. Oh, Patrick's here. So anyways, yeah, that's that, man. The T25 by TYM, new tool for Dirtfoot Racing and Hank Strange. We'll talk to you guys later. See ya.